Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. I'm Bye Bye Money. Pandas. It's good to be back. After the long weekend. It's good to be back, pandas. Pandas. I hope you guys have been doing well. Hope you guys had an amazing weekend. Hope you guys had a great Labor Day. What are you supposed to do on Labor Day? It sounds like you're supposed to labor, but apparently it's a day off. Is there something you're supposed to do? Are you supposed to have like a barbecue or something? I don't even know. But happy Tuesday, everybody. Let's not make it Tilted Tuesday. Let's not make it Tilted Tuesday, pandas. When is the Fed changing interest rates? September 18th is when the interest rates will drop. September 18th, pandas. Put it in your calendars. Pandas. Hope you guys had an amazing weekend. Bill 7, good morning. Speedy Boy, good morning. Scalp that like button. Drop a GM in the chat if you're just joining. Pandas. Doesn't matter what happened last week. All that matters right now is that we get better this week. Get 1% better every single day. I think I read that on a shirt somewhere. Doesn't matter how terrible you did the last trading session. Doesn't matter how far down you are. All that matters is that today you're better than yesterday. That is the journey of trading. It's like you have ups and downs, right? Ups and downs, ups and downs. You're like a yo-yo, but you're like a yo-yo in a person's hands who's walking up a flight of stairs. It's like a trend, you know what I mean? Sometimes you have some pullbacks. Sometimes you get some breakouts. But the overall journey, you're getting better and better. It's a Dunning-Kruger effect. I mean, the Dunning-Kruger effect, if it is the most apparent in trading, I think. When it comes to, like, anything that will... Like, if there's anything that you could experience the Dunning-Kruger effect, it is trading. Yo-yo-a-yo. Summer Rockies, good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Pandas, what is the plan today? The plan today is to stick to the plan. The plan today is to stick to the plan. What is the plan, you might say? Well, the plan is the first step. Identify the market cycle. Are people entering in with limit orders or stop orders? There's only two types of orders, pandas. Those are the only two. Which one is dominating? And then only trade that type of order. You must trade only that type of order. Small risk. And we're going for big reward, at least 1-to-1, pandas. At least 1-to-1. You gotta learn how to switch, flip, flippity floppity, back and forth. You gotta learn to go back and forth, limit order, stop order, limit order, stop. You gotta be quick. You gotta be adaptable. That's what we're trying to be. Bill Mays. The plan is to make more money than you lose. Exactly. You gotta be okay with every trade you enter and losing. Lee A, good morning. Day Trader, good morning. Tate, good morning. Welcome, everybody. Are you ready? Are you guys ready to make some bamboo? Pandas, I know you're ready. I know I'm ready. We're in this like channel looking thing here. I'm trying to capture it, but to be honest, I guess something like this. It contains the most price points. You guys are bored ready? I'm freaky ready. Are you ready to make some bamboo, pandas? Let's get it. We're getting it this morning. Pandas, you gotta be ready, even in a choppy market, to make some money. You gotta be ready. Gotta be ready, even in a choppy market, to make some money. Down 200. I'm not ready, I guess. It's just a warm up trade. You know what I mean? You gotta get hit. You got to get over the fear of losing. Get over the fear of losing. Sometimes it takes a small loss, but it's going to be the greatest comeback of all time. I'm ready. 4 days without trading, pandas. 4 days. I did trade a little bit on Friday, but it was pretty much a scratch day. I traded a little bit on Friday. I'm not going to lie. Just a little bit. It was scratch day. Made like $100 or something like that. Bought here, sold here. Sold, lost, sold, lost. Saw this big move down, thought that we had followed through. Sold, won. So sold, lost, sold, won. And then sold, and then I ended up skunking this trade a little bit, right? I just put above the pivot high here, but it went down pretty far. Sold, got stopped out. Sold, got stopped out. Sold. So let me look at my record. 1-0, 1-1, 1-2, 2-2, 3 and 2, 3 and 3, 3 and 4, 3 and 5, 3 and 6. Scratch. 3 and 6, scratch. Scratch. So after I started scratching, all these stopped. 3 and 7, pandas. 3 and 7. 4 and 7. 5 and 7. I won this one. 6 and 7. 7 and 7. This was a big one. 7 7. Scratch. 8 and 7. 8 and 8. 8 and 9. So my record on Friday was 8 and 9. I took 17 trades, pandas. Took 17 trades. I was 8 and 9, but I was up a little bit because my winners were a little bit bigger than my losers, pandas. You might make the playoffs with that record. I'm telling you, as long as you win more than you lose, even if you're 50-50 or even worse, I was still positive yesterday. Or Friday. I'm not going to trade into the bottom of this channel. It's clearly here right now. The thing is, we failed to make reach the top of the channel. Just sitting on my pause. Perhaps looking for a new low. New low created. Hard to take a trade right in the beginning like that. Hard to make a trade right when the market opens. Just want to see the market cycle develop a little bit here. How do we decide what market cycle we're in? Read the price action. Ooh, we're dropping, pandas. We're absolutely dropping here. Interesting. How much further down are we going to go? It's the opening candle on the 5-minute chart. I'd like to see it develop first. But honestly, this is pushing down. I should just sell anywhere, everywhere. I should sell with that retracement. Maybe sell when we come back to the 20 EMA even. A strong bull bar. Hard to sell right here. Coming back up. Coming back up. Maybe breakout retest of this trend line. That's why I drew this trend line like this. I want to see if we're going to retest it. I'm okay skipping this. I would like a second entry short at this point. Because of how strong this move back up was, I'm looking for another push up. I'm looking for one more push up here. Looks like first entry is good. Looks like the first entry is good. That might be all you get here. Just a first entry. Jeez Louise. That's all you get as a first entry. Make a new low. Goodness gracious. I mean, we pushed all the way back up. 3 strong bull bars. Hard for me to say, But we do hit the resistance, which is a 20 EMA. There is news at 10 o'clock, pandas. The news is the ISM manufacturing PMI. Typically, I don't know how much that's going to really move the markets, but it's there. It's at 10. Also, the BBM 80, or sorry, BBM for 80% off has been extended for another, 8 days. Second entry short. If we come off our trend line, I'll take it. Trend line and 20 EMA, I'll take it. We're hitting two key areas here. Ooh, see, that's a bad signal bar. Right, this is your signal bar, and it triggered off of that. Skipping it for now. I would like a better setup than that. It's getting a little choppy here, actually. Lots of overlapping bars. Inside bar break. Do I want to take it still? It does break down, but I'll skip it. I'm okay skipping this. Plenty of opportunity waiting for us. I wish this actually pushed back up, trapped, failed trap, and then come back down. That's what I was looking for. This is getting a little bit choppy right now. Lots of overlapping bars, but it's on a downward direction. But lots of overlapping bars at the same time. Could mean converting to trading range soon. Or grind to the downside for several candles. Which one is it, Pandas? Which one will it be? Okay. I guess your best bet really is to just sell somewhere off this trend line here. Maybe off the 20 MA. That's probably your best bet. Selling with a limit order near the top of this choppiness here. It touches our trend line. Doesn't quite get up to where I wanted it to go to. I wanted a better value than that. We could push down hard here. I wouldn't be surprised. Especially with the 5-minute candle ending the way it did. I just want to get an entry here, but I don't know if I can. Alright, doesn't look like I'm going to. And by the time I get it now, it might be too late. Ooh. Ooh. 5-minute candle showing me the low right here on Friday, and not only that, it's starting to break out of this trend line here. Ooh. I take Big Mama here as a question. It is so choppy though, Pandas. I want it to be a little bit higher if I took this trade. Push up to the 20 MA, please. Alright, I'll take it. As long as it's an okay signal bar. Doesn't have to be the best, but it can't be like a solid bull bar. I hate that. I'll try, Pandas. I'll try. Thoughts and prayers. Thoughts and prayers are needed here, Pandas. Ooh. Ooh, getting wicky. Getting very wicky here. Bad signal bar, but still off our trend line and 20 MA. Looking for a new low. If it traps, it traps. A trap is a trap is a trap. Just let it happen. Let the trap happen. Get hit. Alright. Brush it off, Pandas. Brush it off. First viable second entry short. Terrible signal bar. I could have skipped it on that fact alone. On that terrible signal bar. Another push down here. Maybe L4. Maybe L4. The only problem is we're not really at any type of resistance here. Alright, brush it off, Pandas. Brush it off. We got this. Don't worry. Now it's getting very grindy, going upwards. I could take the L4 here. I haven't taken L4 in a long time. could try. It's a good retracement trade too. Could be a decent push down. It's like an entry long triggers there. Fails. Trap triggers. Could be a decent trade here. Maybe looking for a new low. Or it could start turning to trading range, but nevertheless, I think this is my target here. Ooh, this is getting funky. Very funky price action. Maybe looking for a new high now on this push up. Give me a break even if I can. I'm gonna come out break even. I don't like what's happening here. I think it's gonna try to come up, make a new high. I don't like what happened here. I don't like this price action coming out, skunking that trade. Ends up pushing down. Just let it happen, pandas. I skunked it. I didn't like what I saw. A strong bull bar closing above the 20 MA. Little sus to me. Starting to get a little bit confusing in my opinion. Now with hindsight bias, obviously I should have held it. It's all good, pandas. By the way, pandas, quick update. I submitted my request for payouts. I pulled out max $27.50 on each account. And so, let's see what happens, pandas. I'll keep you guys updated. You guys will obviously see what will happen with my my rhythmic. If I get approved or not. I should get approved. I've really just traded one contract the entire time. And didn't do anything weird. I just traded. Very, very plainly. So if I get denied, I'll be very confused, I think. Ooh, okay, lower high. Bouncing off the top of this trend line now. It's getting wacky. Still wacky here, in my opinion. Do I want to sell the break of this low? Do I want to sell the break of this low? Oh, I definitely want to sell the break of this low now. I definitely want to sell the break of this low. In this trade. How much do I want though?
Target filled.
Okay, I guess I want that much. I mean, I didn't have a chance to even move my target. But I'm kind of glad I didn't. Because it comes right back up. I'm fine with that. Quick scalp. Quick scalp, quick scalp. Usually this pattern looks very bearish. It comes back up and is having a hard time breaking above the 20 MA. At the end, pandas, I should have just held that trade. I should have held my L4. It's okay. Still scalped out, though. Someone in Rocky says, why wouldn't they? Exactly. Why wouldn't they? Why would they not? Washi, good morning. Welcome, guys. Zero, welcome. Geo, welcome. Thanks, guys, for joining, everybody. Thanks for joining, everybody. That's looking sus. Very choppy. I'm expecting trading range starting to develop soon. Right, when you get price action that starts to look like this, even coming down here, it looks very choppy. We do have news at 10 o'clock. Could be
10,000 tick trap.
Could cause a bunch of choppier, strong bear bar ending on its low. Just expecting follow through with that kind of bar. But look at the left, right? You're right at this pivot here. Huh, what do I do, pandas? I mean, convention says I should just sell, like, right here. Just sell. Right, we've been choppy, going down. Could be like a double bottom of some sort, but limit order market. Convention says I should just sell as we get a little bit higher somewhere. Just looking for that quick scalp here. Risking 1-to-1. 10 points to 10 points. Okay. I might not like the higher low here, though, pandas. I may abort at the higher low. Ooh, higher low. I don't like that at all. Skunking the trade. Higher low triggers. No, thank you. Selmo1 says 1 minute left for news. I guess there is news at 9:45, but it's not high impact news. All right, that news does trigger a volatility spike. Let's see if it actually causes some sort of movement, though. YL. Morning roozies. I'm getting aroused. Aroused. Don't get aroused with roozy. Roberto, welcome back. Getting very choppy again. What's your best bet right now? I think limit order trading still is your best bet. Look at how choppy it is. The question is really like, where do you buy or sell your limit order? I mean, I could do something like this. See what happens. I could do something like this. See what happens. Okay. Ooh. Oof. Oh, I could have done something like that and see what happens. But I got rid of my order. Same thing on this side. Let's see if we can come back down. Decent push up. Okay. I mean, it is choppy. I guess, pandas. I'm gonna try to buy somewhere down here and see what happens. Just trying to find where the limit orders are. We recognize the limit order market, but the question is, where do we put our limit orders to take advantage of the super chop here? Sell it just at the end of that bar. Selling even on a strong bull bar. I don't care because of the level we're at, and we're in a super choppy market, so I'm just gonna sell as we break a little bit above this bar. I'm not expecting it to go that much higher because we're so choppy. It could be in a breakout, but my risk is small. I could extend my risk down here and see what happens. I get back to the bottom of this range here. Back to the 20 EMA even. If it breaks out, it breaks out. I move on, but just take the hit. I'm just trying to mimic what the market's doing, which is super choppy trading, which is limit order trading. So I'm just trying to sell near the top of where the candles have been going. And come out near the bottom if I can. But this looks like it might get me. Starting to break out, it looks like, a little bit here. Yeah, it looks like it gets me here. Alright. Fair enough. It's very choppy still. You could sell here as well. Maybe I should have just held to here. I could have came out 1-to-1, I think. Maybe I got a little greedy. I could have came out 1-to-1. I got greedy for sure. I could have came out 1-to-1. It made 10 points, and that's my target. I got greedy. I tried to get a little bit lower, but it's all good. I'm going to try this as well. I wish I can get a good retracement if it does trigger, though. This is 2500 tick chart. 20 EMA, second inch short. I mean, it looks choppy, though. I don't know. That's like an ugly looking bar to trade. Ugh, that's a terrible chart to go. Terrible candle to go short. That's all I have to say. We're getting this grindy move up now, pandas. Would you look at that? I mean, convention says, pandas. Shall we? Shall we try? Spike in channel currently, actually. And here's another. Let's get down. Okay, in this trade. Again, 1-to-1. If I get hit, I get hit. I'm expecting this channel to keep going up and grinding up. And if it breaks down, then I take my 10-point hit and move on. Next trade, pandas. You know what I mean? Ooh, looks like it doesn't get me. Oh, okay, I'm out. Second just short on the 2500 tick chart. Ends up working out. Very choppy, but it's difficult for me to figure out exactly where, when it gets choppy, like what level should I use? There's so many levels. Like there was a level here. Channel here. Level here. You know, it's just like back and forth, back and forth. It's just kind of hard to know when. Down 450. And it gets very choppy here now. Jeez, pandas. What do I do? How do I trade this? How are you guys trading? Hope you guys are doing better than me. It's not very hard when you're down 450. Ooh, okay. Okay, I could do something cheeky, pandas. I've done something cheeky before. I mean, I could do something cheeky here. Let's wait till it hits the resistance and take the next reversal up. How about that? How about them apples? The 5-minute candle is being pretty obvious what it wants to do. Very choppy here. It might come like all the way back up here very quickly. Right, the 5-minute candles completely overlapping. People buying at the bottom of this candle. People just buying it up at the bottom of this candle. But also, it's a decent push down. Might look for some follow through. Okay. Yeah, like I mentioned, looks like it wants to come back up very quickly. Right, the 5-minute candle. People buying the bottom here. Just a pure limit order market, almost in all time frames. Okay, it shoots down very quickly here. What in the world was that? That was a very quick move down, pandas. Interesting. Like, very quick move down. I can wait for a higher low here. Pushing down quite strong now. Breaking down? Sell anywhere, everywhere? Just selling anywhere, everywhere? Just sold the very first opportunity I got. I just sold this candle. I mean, I just sold the moment I recognize we're breaking down. It's gonna bite me in the butt. That's gonna bite me right in the tail, isn't it? Pandas. That's gonna bite me right in the tail. Let's try to jump in there. I just sold the moment I started seeing him break down. This is gonna bite me right in the tail, isn't it? We're holding. We're holding. Holding. Break the low. I know you want to. Do it right now. Do it right now. No. 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 Oh my goodness, pandas. Oh my, one tick, literally one tick. Okay. I literally just tried to sell the moment I saw this breakdown. Didn't work out though. Alright, pandas, come on, we got this. We got this. We got this. We got this. Very choppy here. I mean, still limit orders, I guess. I'll try. 20 EMA. Bounce. If it's trading range day, it's going to just come right back up and shoot up very hard. Yeah. It's going to get me again. One day, pandas. One day after a breakdown, I'm going to sell a 20 EMA and it's going to work out. Just one day. Watch. Just watch. One day it will work. Let's get a little bit more from this, pandas. Let's get a little bit more from this, please. Strong bear bar ending on its low. Absolutely ridiculous there's no follow through on that. Absolutely ridiculous that there's absolutely no follow through on that. It's just silly if there's no follow through on this strong bear bar ending on its low. Just silly if there's no follow through. Wow, that's weak. Oh! Huh? Huh? Protect my capital here.
Target filled.
Easy peasy. Trading is the easiest thing I've done in my entire life, pandas. It's so simple. It's so easy. You sell at resistance. You buy a support. It's the easiest thing I've done in my entire life. Pandas. If you are not making money, I mean, I'm so red. I can't even say that. Well, how am I supposed to even say that? I'm still red. I'm making negative money today, pandas. I'm saying trading is the easiest thing in the world. It doesn't make any sense. The greatest gift you can have is to realize when you're delusional. It's a disillusion your delusion. That is the greatest gift you can have. All right, pandas, here we go. Avalon says, I've been trading NQ for a bit now, so much easier than ES. It is way more volatile. It is. It really is. You gotta just be careful because it is called a Nascraq for a reason. It is called a Nascraq for a reason, pandas. Because of the volatility, you also need to be very good at controlling your risk and reward. You gotta be very good at controlling your risk reward. Like you have to be very good. If you start to double up your positions or start tilting even a little bit, pandas, the Nascraq will eventually get you. It's just a matter of time. Just a matter of time, pandas. Nascraq will get you. I'm taking this trap trade if it triggers. Feels like entry short, I'll take it. It's choppy trade. It's choppy day today. It may not be the best day to take this kind of setup. We've got 30 seconds to news, pandas. 30 seconds to news. Be aware. This is high impact news. ISM manufacturing numbers. Will it be big news? I don't know. I don't think it will be, but who knows, pandas? Who really knows? Got 15 seconds to news. Let's do a countdown, pandas. Up or down? Up or down? Give me a 1 in chat if you think it's gonna go up. Give me 2 if you think it's gonna go down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Huh? Huh? Down, a little bit down. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, makes a new low. I guess it's fair enough to say it goes down. I think it's fair enough to say. It's enough to pass. 29 points is enough to pass the 150k accounts, max contracts. You could have passed the eval in one single trade right there. Pretty big move down, but I'm still respecting this channel here. I'm still respecting the fact that we're very choppy. And if I want to enter this, I got to enter in with a limit order here. I think that's the only way to really enter this move with a limit order. I think it's a fair enough pivot to use. Fair enough pivot to use, in my opinion, in this trade. I'm trying to take advantage of the fact we're overlapping and continue to retrace the previous candles. We just keep going up and down, so I'm going to try to sell near the top. It hopefully just keeps retracing back and forth, and I can keep scalping in and out. That's my hope, pandas. That's the dream. Okay. Okay. It had a spike down, but then reversed pretty violently here. Where am I in a daily chart? Interesting. Okay. What's a weekly chart look like? Just quick look. That trap trade way above the 20 in a choppy market. Just sitting on my pause here. I mean, look at all this overlap. Look at all this overlap. I mean, that's kind of just price action trading. I don't know when it comes down to it. Just feels like just quickly recognizing when you start to see a lot of chop like this to adjust your trading style to match. That means you're coming with a lot more limit orders than you typically would. I guess the hardest days is like when it's like a mix of breakouts and limit orders. We keep switching back and forth, and so like the moment you start to switch gears to limit orders, the market quickly switches back to stop orders, and it just keeps biting you in the butt. Right, you die of 1,000 paper cuts, death by 1,000 paper cuts, type situation. Sit on my pause here, pandas. I don't love anything here. I really don't love any trade here right now. There's a decent push down here. What in the world? What's this market trying to tell us, pandas? We're like, we gotta be market whisperers. You gotta listen. Listen. What is the market telling you? Listen to the market. Buy money. I want to keep going down. Sell. Sell anywhere. Sell anywhere, everywhere. Did you guys hear anything? Did you guys hear something? I think I heard someone tell me to sell anywhere, everywhere. But I did not take that advice. Let's see, pandas, if we can get a quick retracement. I doubt it. Ooh, okay. What do we have here now? Hail Mary, come quick see. Oh, okay. I don't know if I like this trap. This trap fails. Is it the day for traps? I don't know. I still like my retracement trade back up to here. I still don't mind this trade. Kind of like it. Kind of like it. Kind of a little bit like it. Please? Please? Pretty please?
Target.
Trading is the easiest thing I've done in my entire life, pandas. I was not even worried at all. I was not even begging the market to do anything. Pandas, I'm telling you, I know exactly what the market's doing. We're up 250, pandas. This trap might actually end up working out. I don't know. I just don't know. I mean, it does feel like bearish bias. We're in this channel here currently. Very choppy. Very choppy. The only way you can make market in a crazy market, the only way you can make money in this crazy market is to out crazy the crazy. Sometimes you just need to out crazy the crazy. So very choppy. Like, you're better off literally just going like this, selling here and buying down here. Like, you're better off buying like somewhere down here. Like, it's so choppy. Buying near the previous candle's low. You're better off doing that right now than trying to find some breakout somewhere. This is what the market's been giving us all day. All day. Gilbert Medina, welcome back. Gilbert Medina is a true panda. Good morning, BB. I am staying out. I just got Kung Fu Panda by the market for 3.5k. Patience was my issue this morning. 3.5k is nothing. Nothing. That's just a small pullback in this long journey. Whoa. Okay. Should I, pandas? Did I just get the bottom? Did I just get the bottom here? No. Just get me out. Give me my bamboo. Give me my bamboo. No! Give me my bamboo, please! Please, my bamboo.
Target filled.
Easy peasy. Like I said, you're better off literally just buying near the bottom of the pivots and just selling near the tops of the pivots. That's just the type of market we've been in. As seen by the price action all day. Pandas. Oh, could have held that. Could have held that for a little bit more, but I'll take it. I'll take it, pandas. Small scalps here and there. Small wins, small losses right now. That's all we're trying to do on the scalping market. I know, one day, Hugh, one day you will. It's so funny because people who already have the membership end up winning even before Hugh. Bill says up at 880 for today. Quitting while you're ahead. Good idea. I mean, once you recognize the market cycle, it becomes a little fun. It's a little fun, isn't it? Because once you recognize it, you're like, all right, let's do what the market's doing. Let's just follow. Let's just mimic exactly what it's doing. All this chop, okay, I'll jump in the chop. You want to chop? I'll chop. You can't chop the chopper. You can't chop someone who's chopping already. You know what I mean, pandas? You can't chop the chopper. Ooh. See, continue to chop right outside bar reversal. It's just one of those tricky markets. Like one of those markets where you rather put your entry at where you typically put your stop loss. You know what I mean, pandas? You know what I mean? It's probably better to do that today. I'm just gonna go short here. We've just been that choppy today, pandas. I'm literally just gonna go short here, see what happens. It's that kind of day. You're better off buying down here. You're literally better off buying down here. Like, almost want to just buy if we break this low here. Like, I want to buy like this. I mean, look at what the market's been doing, pandas. Absolutely chop fest. You got to join in what the market's doing, pandas. If it wants to chop around, then you chop around with it. The market wants to chop, we chop. Not gonna lie, it's a little scary. I think I'm gonna lose this one. I kind of feel like I wish I went short here. All right, the market wants to chop, we chop. Ooh, kind of want to come up break even. I'm gonna. Kind of wanted to get out, break even there. It's okay, pandas. It's okay. Sometimes, you know, when you chop, you get chopped a little bit. But the thing is, you get right back up, pandas. You get right back up. Can't chop the chopper. Create a triangle here. Will this triangle last or will it break down here? Interesting. El Panda Chapo. I'm telling you, pandas, like, once I started being able to trade with limit orders, things changed. I said this year will be the year. I'll learn the limit order trade. I'll learn how to trade the choppy markets. This year was going to be the year. In the beginning, it was very difficult, but now, pandas, like we are. I almost prefer it at this point. Almost prefer it because it happens so often. It just happens so often. It's like you get way more opportunities when you start trading with limit orders. Almost want to buy long here. I kind of want to go long here. Will you be mad if I went long here? Pans, would you be angry if I just went long here? Oh, looks a little bearish. But it's been chopping. It's been chopping. Oh, this is scary. This is a little bit scary. This is a little nerve-wracking. A little nerve-wracking here, pandas. I'm not gonna lie. It's a little nerve-wracking right now. Ooh. I think I'm gonna get hit here. Oh. Big mistake. Mistakes were made. Ugh. Come on. Wow. One tick. Pandas, one tick. Come on. Wow. How am I still alive? How am I still... Pandas. 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 How did I survive that? I'm going to come out break even. All right, I'll take the break even. I'll take the break even. Pandas, but how did I survive that? That was literally one tick. One tick away. Oh my. The Jesus protection. Your thoughts and prayers, pandas, shielded me. Your thoughts and prayers shielded me from the enemy. Shielded from me from a death. Goodness gracious, panda, so stressful. Still limit order trading. I'll take a fail second to short here, though. I'll try that. Even though it's limit order trade, I'll take a fail second short here. Might be a silly trade, though. Might really be a silly trade. Second entry short here. Kind of coming off our trend line. Kinda. And 20 EMA. Kinda. Is it gonna push? Maybe. Might just push here. Strong bear bar, neon's low. That's a that's a good sign if you went short here, I think. All right. Good skunk at the end of that trade. Still limit order market. It's gross. It's grinding right now. We're approaching last week's low. On the 5-minute chart at least. Just add it here. That's last week's low. Actually, let me look at the 2500. 2500 just, I mean, apparently it's just a super strong downtrend right now. Apparently. Okay, pushing up a little bit here. I don't know, I'll try. Maybe super ridiculous trader here. We're obviously in a downtrend. I really shouldn't be going long here. I really shouldn't be going long here, pandas. I really shouldn't be going long here. I really shouldn't be going long here. It's a dumb trade. I'm long. It's a dumb trade. Fully recognized. Dumb trade here. Do not copy my trades. Yeah, it's literally the worst reaction you could possibly imagine when going long. All right, some follow through. Let's get a break. We need a breakout of the previous candle's high. I don't know if we're gonna get it though. Low probability trade, pandas. It means good risk reward. You need to have a good risk reward here if you want this trade to be worth it. I recognize it's a dumb trade pretty early on. So the dumbness of the trade, the more dumb, the more money you need to make. So this is a dumb trade. Let's make some money, pandas. Let's make some bamboo. Let's get a 1 to 2, panda, shall we? A 1 to 2, shall we? Okay. Uh. No. Pandas, why did I go long? Why did I do a stop order trade in a limit order market? Why, pandas? Why do I continue to do this? We're pretty much scratch day today. Why? Why, pandas? Why did I feel the need to do that? I didn't need to do that. I really didn't. Second entry long here. Bad signal bar. If I'm going to take a trade like that, at least buy where I was willing to sell. At least do that. Right, at least buy where my stop loss was. My entry was here, my stop loss here. I've been better off if I just bought with my stop where my stop loss would have been on a trade I enter in. Much better off there. Pretty much scratch day right now. I'll take a scratch day today. I'll take a scratch day. Very choppy market. This one's tough, Pandas. This one's tough. Inside bar break. I mean, we're still in this super choppy market. If it breaks out, I want to enter quick. If it breaks out, I want to enter quick. Not quick enough. Not quick enough for me. Nope, definitely not quick enough for me. High or low? It's an ugly trade. Can you add a 30% calculator bot to the chat, please? What does that mean? What does that even mean? 30% calculator. Calculator of what? What are you calculating? Like you want to add a number, you put a number and say 30% you want to know 30% of it? It's confidential. Easiest way to find 30% of something is find 1% of something and multiply by 30, multiply by 3, then times 10. Quickest way to find 30% of something. Okay, high or low here in this choppy market, pandas. What do I do here? What do I do here, pandas? I mean, technically, I should be doing something weird like this. Technically. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I hope it's not outside bar reversal. Outside bar reversal. No, thank you. Okay. Pushes up pretty strong. Like I mentioned, if I just bought where my stop loss would have been, I've been golden here. I'd be golden. But I didn't. I could try something cheeky here. But I feel like we're starting to break out a little bit now. Quick cheeky smack here. I mean, it feels like it's breaking out though. Okay. I'll buy here. I'll try. We're still in this grindy channel here. Limit order market. I mean, he's not even getting down here. Bounces off of that. I'm gonna buy here, pandas. I'm gonna do something a little cheeky here. Just something I noticed in the price action. I think it might be worth it, this trade. Only if it stands true. Could change. Things could change here. I'm gonna try this. And I'll say what if this works out, I'll tell you what I saw, why I took this trade. Only if it works out, though. If it doesn't work out, just forget anything I said. Uh-oh. That's not good. That is not... That's not good, pandas. I saw a bounce off that top of that pivot. I thought we got a nice move. Technically, I should buy here, huh? Technically, I should just buy here. Technically, I should just buy here. The fact that that failed makes me very hesitant now. I mean, technically, I should buy here. Considering all things technical, I should buy here. All right, I'm in. If it breaks down, it breaks down. And my stop loss is short. Very small stop loss. Huh? I don't really want to see a lower high here. I really don't want to see a lower high here, pandas. I really don't want to see that.
Target filled.
Coming out break even, I really don't want to see that lower high here. Really want to see that lower high. Well, that lower high fails and fails again. It's getting very tricky now. Very tricky. Yeah, I definitely don't want to see that lower high. Don't buy there. That's where I bought. I don't want to get flagged. I think you'll be okay. I think you'll be fine. John Q. You'll be just fine. Okay, decent push down here. You're thinking. I mean, you think what I'm thinking, pandas? You think what I'm thinking? Still a limit order market in my opinion. Look at all this overlapping bars, like completely overlapping bars still. Okay, touch the bottom of the trading range. Okay, triggers. Could be decent push down here. I don't know. Could be. It's just, we've been so choppy all the way. It's hard for me to jump in momentum here. If I were to have to do something like this, previous candle's high or something like that. Okay. Literally, okay, I made this trade. Almost. Almost not good enough though.
Target filled.
Trading is the easiest thing I've done in my entire life, pandas. It's so easy. All right, all right. Doesn't quite get there. Okay, we're in. I like another scalp here. It's just gonna break my neck, huh? Jeez. All right. I try to get with limit order trades here. Still, to the downside. Wow, this is gonna break my neck. Looks like that's gonna break my neck. Neck broken. Does it take me out to the tick? Does it tick shot me here? Probably. Small pullback bear trend. Comes back to 20 May. My favorite trade of all time. Breakdown and retest of 20 EMA. And I guess we're not going to get it. I mean, we got it. I just wasn't ready for it. And with my maximum FOMO, I'm going to enter like this. With maximum FOMO trade here. I got FOMO-itis, pandas. I got FOMO-itis. I'm gonna risk a little bit more here. Risking a little bit more here. Holding past the 1-to-1. I'm gonna let it cook a little bit. I'm gonna let it cook, pandas. I'm gonna let it cook. I'm gonna let it cook. Ooh, that's not good. The moment the second entry triggers, it bounces right back up. It's not a good sign, pandas. That is a very bad sign. I want to let it cook. I surely did want it to cook a little bit here. Yikes. Alright. Yeah, that triggers that. It's bad news. Really bad news if it triggers that. Really bad news for me. Yep, triggers. If that fails, that's really good news, but the fact that it triggers feels like it's bad news. Come on, break even if I wanted to at this point. I'm gonna let it cook though, pandas. We're gonna let it cook a little bit here. We're gonna let it cook. Let it cook, pandas. Let it cook. Let it cook. Let the cook cook. Trigger. Come on. Come back down. No. That is the wrong way, sir. Excuse me. The correct direction is down here where this diamond is. Do you see this diamond market? I need you to come down to this level. Needs to cook a little bit. Whoo! Pandas. 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 Wake up, pandas. Wake up, pandas. Wake up right now, pandas. If you're not awake, this is the time to be awake right now. Pandas. What? What? Wait, what? Wait. No. Whoa. What are you doing? I'm coming out break even here. I don't know what's happening. It's a little sus. Very sus now. Darn it, pandas. We're not going to get any more than that. That's all we're getting today. Pandas. So disappointing. Oh. Pandas. We got a new pivot. I love new pivots. The pivot's pretty much 1-to-1. It's fine if it takes me out here. But I want more. Way more. Pandas! Let's get it! 5 minute looking juicy. The 5 minutes looking juicy. Don't do this to me. 5 minutes looking so juicy. Don't do this to me. 5 minute is looking so juicy. The 5 minute strong bear bar ending near its low. Another bear bar follow through. It's looking real. Oh my. Pandas, what's going on? Why does this give me so many heart attacks? Why? Why can't you just choose a side? Please. Stop it. Stop it. Come on. Don't do this to me. Give me a new pivot. Please give me a new pivot. I think it's going to take me out here. So certain it takes me out. Pandas are so frustrating. It looked so juicy too. Look at the 5 minutes. Just a bear bar ending on its low. Just thinking that was starting to break down a little bit. Oh, it looked juicy, pandas. That looks so juicy. Man, pandas. Darn it, pandas. Darn it. The previous pivot didn't work out. The fact that it didn't really do what I thought it was going to do, I think it's going to do the opposite. I think it's going to go back up. I think it might go back up hard. That's so frustrating, pandas. It's actually so frustrating. I mean, chopping markets are gonna chop. We're still choppy, pretty much. If I let it cook, a little bit more, I guess I could have got more. I could have got what I wanted. It takes me out and bounces back. Pandas, I just scratch day today, pandas. Scratch day. I thought we were gonna get something big from that trade, but scratch day. Very scratchy day. Super scratch day. Lower high. Man, see, I wanted this move. Oh, I wanted this move down. Takes me out and then goes down. Jeez. It looks so juicy, pandas. We must adapt, pandas. We must adapt. That's painful. Pretty much came out break even on that trade, unfortunately. So much work. So much turmoil. It looks so juicy. Why? It's so choppy day. Such a choppy day. Such a choppy day. So choppy today, pandas. Lower high. Not interested. I mean, it's choppiness. I mean, it's like very hard to make money here. Like, it's not worth it. It's not really worth any trades right now, in my opinion. It's not. There's no strong momentum. and it's hard to figure out where to put your limit orders. If I put a limit order here, I could try. But the problem is it's such a low probability trade and my risk reward is not good, right? It's like the probability is less than 50-50, but my reward is 1-to-1. So it's like overall losing.
Target filled.
Take it all back. I'm amazing. I'm so good at trading, man. I take it all back. This market is so easy to trade. I take it all back. Pandas. Let's forget everything I said. This is the easiest market ever. You just buy near the bottom, sell near the top. That's it. Should I do it again? Was that pure luck, pandas? Was that pure luck? Or pure skill? Should I try again? This is so scary. I'm so scared. Really? I mean, honestly, if you're too scared, that just means you're trading too big. I don't mind if I lose or win here. I'm up 240. Not bad. Not the worst, right, pandas? Being up 240, it's, you know, some people's, you know, annual salary is $240. You know, some people. It's someone out there, right? Someone out there's annual salary is around 240 USD. I mean, there has to be somewhere in the world. Someone somewhere in the world. Just consider that just for a second. Kind of breaking down here a little bit, but I don't know. What am I supposed to do, pandas? Am I supposed to sell? Am I supposed to buy? I want to do one more trade. I don't know what's in me, but I want to do one more trade here. Something in me says one more trade is all you need, panda. Just one more. One more trade. That's all you need. Okay, breaking down. Quite scary to enter anything here. Going short or long. Right. Bulls are having a hard time making money right now. Bulls are having a hard time making money for sure. Not sure how much easier it is for the Bears though. Just grindy. Look at the 5-minute chart, pandas. I mean, look at this grind. The grind is real. Ugh. Yeah. Ugh. I should just be going short. I don't know why I'm trying to go long right here. I should really just be going short here. I just felt like the Bears had a hard time making money here, so let's just try it. Dumb trade at the end. I should be going short. Yeah, I deserve that hit. I absolutely deserve to lose that trade. I should be going short right there, not long. If I'm gonna go long, it has to be down here. It has to be with value, like serious value. Jeez Louise, pandas. I mean, this is painful. Market is relentless right now. I truly don't know what I'm doing. What is happening, pandas? Where do I put my limit orders? Even I can recognize the limit order market. Where do I put them, pandas? How do I make money today? It's actually very. I cease to amaze you guys. I made exactly $0 today. That's pretty hard. Kind of looks like a panda. Oh, interesting. It's breaking down now. Bulls having a hard time making, or bears having a hard time making money now. Breaking previous candles lows. I don't know, pandas. Like, look how small these candles are. The ATR is 8.3. Oh, sir. Okay. Okay. I guess I still should be going short somewhere. I just don't know where. I guess I'll go short right here, pandas. I have no clue. Okay, I'm going short here. Wow. Okay. Dumb idea. What is happening, pandas? I should have just done a 20 EMA. I tried to go a little early here. I should gonna short the 20 EMA. What am I doing, pandas? Do we make an exhaustive move to the downside? I don't know. I don't think so. Stop order market. Can't enter the stop orders right now. No way, Jose. No way, Jose. I'm entering a stop order. Maybe I should have, though. Pandas, I don't know what's happening. How do you make money in this market? Second entry short maybe here. I'm down 205. It's not the worst, but it's just I want to enter somewhere, but I can't. I tried here, it didn't work. Stop orders are not working. It has to be with a limit order somewhere. Just where though, pandas? Where? I can't enter the stop order. The market is not strong enough for stop orders right now. I mean, it's a downtrend. I'm trying to get short in here. Problem is because I'm not scaling in. Maybe I'll scale in one time. I'll do one scale in trade. I don't know. I don't want to do a stop order. $20 EMA, was that the move? Was the 20 EMA the move? Did I miss it? I guess I did. 10 pushes down. 10 pushes down. Like, I should be swing trading technically. I guess I'll take the next swing trade if we get one. See, with 10 pushes down here, that means we were not able to break a previous pivot high. So technically, should be going short here. Thinking the pattern is going to continue, not being able to break a previous candle's high or previous pivot high. Sorry. All right, this is your pivot. That's your pivot. That's your pivot. That's your pivot. That's your pivot. I should have been swing trading today. Actually. It's such a strong move up. I'm scared to do this, but I'm going to try anyways. Get out of here, please. Whoa! Technically, here's your pivot. This is swing pivot here. Hopefully make a new low. It looks like tides are changing here. I entered on the one pivot. It finally reverses on us. It breaks our neck. It would. It would. It would. Still in a swing trade here, but darn. I was trying to continue the pattern, right? We haven't broken previous pivot high. And this is the swing. This is the swing pivot here. I could have came out break even here. I'm gonna hold it. See if we make a new low still. It looks like the tides have changed here. I don't know. Maybe it's worth taking the trap trade. Maybe reverse my trade. Maybe worth reversing my trade here. Looking for a new low still here. This feels very sus. Extremely sus. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. I could try. I could try. Decent push up. Last trade of the stream. Let's get a decent push up here. Nope, still in a downtrend. Still in a very strong downtrend. Silly trade. Silly trade, silly trade, silly trade. Definitely silly trade. Man, pandas. Crazy thing is, I've still been okay on that trade. Pandas. So frustrating. I can't get in. This is not for beginners, I'll tell you that much. This market is not for beginners. What in the world is happening? Lower high here. Lower high breaks down a little bit. Pretty decent move down. Still limit order market right now, in my opinion. Jeez. The crazy thing is if I just held my original pivot, my original stop loss, I would have been safe in that trade instead of reversing. I shouldn't have reversed it. But that reverse was so scary, man. I've just seen it work too many times. Like, really strong. We're at the previous week's low, very close to it. I feel like we're gonna race down to it. I can't make money today. I cannot make money today, pandas. Ugh. So painful. Such a strong push up. What in the world? Am I chasing losses? Probably. I'm just so frustrated. I cannot figure this market out right now. In other words, I gotta figure out why this doesn't work the first time. Got to do this first. Yeah, I don't know what's happening. Don't know where my tilt is. My tilt meme, I don't know where it is. It's blasting up without me. Second entry long. Hidden second entry long. That was a hidden second entry long, pandas. It was A, B, and actually pushed down, C, and then pushed up. I did that in one bar, 2 outside bar reversals. Could convert to a trading range here for a while. could, or this could be a full-blown reversal to the upside. I'll take it with a retracement. Good enough for me. Just not getting anything, huh? We're not actually getting anything we want here. Super choppy, comes back down. Take me out. Maybe fourth push up might be decent here if we get one. And it's like, now I don't skunk my trades, I just lose them. Like, there was a time where I was just skunking everything, it'll just work right after I skunk it. Now when I don't skunk it, just terrible results. That's what you gotta always do one or the other. Just gotta keep skunking, thinking the long run will be good for you. Like, if you don't like your trade, just skunk it. Takes me out. Jeez. Okay. Fair enough. Fair enough trade, in my opinion. One more trade, Pandas. Down 790. Wait, we're still in a trade? Something's happening. My other accounts were still in a trade. Don't know what's going on.
$10,000 tick trap.
I guess I'll try. Last trade of the stream, Pandas. Absolutely last trade. It's absolutely absurd. Ridiculous day of trading today, Pandas. This is the last one.
10,000 tick trap.
We swing trade this. Stop loss is here. We could swing trade it for a 1-to-1 or something. It's big risk, but I'm tilted, Pans. I don't care. Higher low, you gotta love the higher low there, but no follow through. I mean, it's a spiking channel, right? Oh, spike channel. I don't like the looks of this. It's super grindy, super choppy, going back and forth. It's not a breakout. It's not a strong reversal. It's not making a strong decision. It keeps going up and down. I don't like this type of price action. It's looking very ugly, actually. But it's not pretty. It's definitely not pretty, pandas. I mean, I could do the swing stop loss or the scalp stop loss. Technically, it's a scalp. Swing is down here. I don't know if it's worth, though. Yeah, definitely not worth. Let's take the hit. Move on. Big red day today. It's been a while since I've had one of these. Just very difficult day for me, pandas. Like, it's just all over the place, in my opinion. It's just so difficult. Like, it was like going bearish for so long. I tried to enter short. I couldn't. There was no entries. And when I did enter short, it just kind of, the pullback was kind of deep. Take me out. And I just, like, I couldn't find a good entry. I just couldn't do it. It is what it is. Let's take the hit here. It's all good. Yeah, the lower high is good here. It gets me, gets me. Ah, tough day, pandas. Tough day. Been down like 1K today. Yeah, I mean, we climbed out bigger holes, but it's tough. Very tough day, in my opinion. Nothing was easy today. I was up like 500 at a point in time. I still have hope on this trade, but we'll see. I still have some hope in this trade. We need to get clearly above the 20 MA, but struggling to get above it. Okay. Decent push up. I could come up break even here and just consider it if I can get that lucky. Doesn't look like it. I don't think I'm going to get that lucky. Not today. Well, we'll see. Solid bull bar above the 20 MA. I would love that. Maybe we can make a new high here. Alright, spike in channel first, break up the channel. It might make a new high. Create some sort of double top. It's not the prettiest. Not gonna lie, it's not the prettiest at all. I can come up break even, maybe. Maybe. But I've already held it for so long, pandas. Last trade of the stream. Last trade of the stream, pandas.
$10,000 tick trap.
Pandas? Pandas? Let's get it! Should I? Should I? Shoot for the stars. Pandas, I'm shooting for the stars. Shooting for the stars, pandas. Shooting for the stars. Should I even do this on the most choppy day ever? I'm gonna just come out break even here. Like, this needs to break out. This has to just break out eventually. Like, it just needs to break out and it has to go in the way I, like, that's the only way I can stay in this trade. If it doesn't do it here, I don't know when it's gonna do it, pandas. Oh, I don't know if I want to hold my original stop loss. I don't know if it's worth it at this point. But this is probably take me out here. Psych! New pivot to work with? Possibly? I don't want to risk this much again. I've already went through the turmoil of that. But should I just hold it?
Give me a new pivot. I would love that. It takes me out break even. Pandas. Tough day. Tough day. Zach Monlight coming out of nowhere. The worst live trader I've seen in a while. Trust me. Trust me, there are way, way worse live traders. 790 is nothing for me. I eat 790 for breakfast. But jeez Louise, Pandas, what a tough day. I mean, sometimes you gotta recognize days are harder than others. I gotta get better at days like this. Like, I tried to go short the entire way down, Pandas. I tried. I couldn't do it. I tried to get in so many times. Just would not give me an entry. And the moment I try to go short here, boom, hits me. I go short here, takes me out, break even. Go short here, takes me out here. Like, I try to get in short, Panda. It just was not working out, Pandas. And this is what I'm saying. Like, holding my original stop loss might have been the only way to keep this trade, but I wasn't willing to hold this much, and now it's going up again. This is too choppy for me. Can't handle days like this. Right, like if I held my original stop loss just way down here, it's like, do I really want to hold through all that? Do I really want to hold through all that? Tough day. Tough day.
You win some, you lose some. I mean, I'm still green
On these accounts, I'm still profitable on these accounts, but not the day that I wanted. Not the kind of day I wanted. It's very tough. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, this is a tough day for me. It's choppy and also bearish. And I just grind all the way down. It was just hard for me to enter. I didn't know where to enter. Like when I see this, like I want to enter like closer to 20 MA. And then when I start seeing the continue to grind, I was like, all right, I'll just join in. And then it actually goes to 20 MA, takes me out. And I said, all right, let's try 20 MA again. Goes 20 MA, and then comes out, skunks my trade. I try to reverse it. And it hits me here. Just the price action is not easy today, Panis.
I mean, it's not for me at least.
2500 tick chart, not much easier. Not much easier. I mean, when I see this kind of market, it just looks nasty. So much overlap. And then grinds all the way down. Turns to trading range. Pandas is tough. Tough for me. But, you know, you got to recognize where you're weak at. That's the only way you get better. And definitely weak in these kind of markets. I mean, this is not a... If you made money today, Pandas, congrats. It's just hard for me. Very hard for me. I want to try, Pandas. I want to try this. Last trade of the stream, possibly. Spike channel. Oh, maybe second entry short, actually. Get in this trade. In this channel, maybe we'll continue this channel up. It's been grinding all day today, unless it just shoots down here and it is what it is. But maybe we can capture something here off our trend line, off our channel, coming back into the channel. Could be a fail second entry long here. I don't know if I want to reverse my trade and fail second entry long. Do I?
Target filled.
Fine. Skunk the trade. Cause it scared me. In this trade. Big push down. Last trade of the stream. This is it, Pandas. This is the final one, Pandas. I promise. I promise. This is the final one. We actually got trapped to the short side here. Maybe coming back into our trading range. Coming back, retest the lows here. Or absolutely just chop me up right off the bat. Either way, I'm out of this. Either way is the last trade of the stream. Quick and plain, let's just take me out. If you're going to take me out, do it already. I mean, otherwise I'll have to put my stop loss way up here. I'm not willing to really do that. I'll just take the small hit here. For potential big trade. Potential really big trade here. Like really big trade here, potentially. Alright, I'm out. Alright, pandas, I'm done. I'll see you guys bright early tomorrow. That's it. No more pain. Big pain day today. It is what it is. I mean, that was potential big trade day, or big trade here. But the market cycle, pandas, you cannot forget the market cycle. We have been in all day. It's super choppy. None of your setups will work today. You got to do the opposite of all your setups. It is what it is. Alright, pandas. I'll be the first to admit today was tough. I took a big hit. It is what it is. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. I'll see you guys then. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.